Bathtubs or shower stalls. In accordance with NEC 210.8A9. This illustration in Figure 10-31A is highlighting receptacles where they are installed in relationship of closeness to a bathtub or shower stall. Now, first of all, let's review Note 1. Metal wiring methods and metal of equipment enclosures that are bonded and grounded can create a connection between systems as outlined in Article 100. But Note 2 says for GFCI protection of personnel of these receptacles that are installed in accordance with that 6-foot rule listed here, 210.8A and B regulates a bathtub, shower, or combination. Now to the right, we just have a bathtub. And if that receptacle is installed within 6 foot there, GFCI protection of this receptacle should be required if installed within 6 foot of the tub in accordance with 210.8A9. Now notice to the left we have a combination shower and bathtub, or it could just be a shower. And again, the 6-foot rule would apply for a shower stall just as well as for a bathroom. But again, we should review very careful 210.8A1, 210.8A9, and 210.8A10. And Figure 10-31A is illustrating a bathtub alone or a combination shower and tub.